This compact Ecarke 200-watt inverter turns compatible DeWalt 20-volt batteries into a practical, portable power source for small appliances and electronics when you are away from an outlet. Its pure sine wave output is gentle on sensitive gear like mini refrigerators, fans, and charging devices, so they run smoothly instead of buzzing or overheating. The combination of one alternating current outlet, dual universal serial bus ports, and a universal serial bus Type-C port makes it easy to power a mix of phones, tablets, lights, and other camping essentials at the same time. Despite its palm-sized footprint, the unit feels sturdy with an impact-resistant housing and thoughtful cooling vents, plus built-in protections against overload, overheating, and short circuits. An integrated adjustable light with multiple brightness levels and a tilting head adds real value for camping, emergency use, or working in dim spaces without needing a separate lantern. Because it uses the same battery platform many people already own for tools, it slips neatly into an existing kit and is simple to toss in a backpack or vehicle for backup power on the go.